Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix Bluetooth Unavailable Error on iPhone in iOS 16.6. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution 1. Enable and disable airplane mode. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Enable airplane mode. Scroll down, tap General. On the General page, scroll down, tap Shutdown. Now slider to power off and turn off your device. Then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Enter your phone passcode. Go back setting page. Disable airplane mode. Solution number 2. Check for software update. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap General, tap Software Update. Software update is available. Tap Download and install to upgrade the iOS. Solution number 3. Turn off restriction. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap Screen Time. Scroll down, tap Content and Privacy Restriction. Turn off content and privacy restriction. Then go back, scroll down, turn off screen time. Again turn off. Solution number 4. Reset all settings. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap General. On the General page, scroll down, tap Transfer Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Tap Reset all settings. Enter your phone passcode. Again reset all settings in the pop-up window to confirm this process. Thanks for watching this video.